Gordon. Gordon.
Noisy. Thomas. I can't sleep well last night. Because I went to see fireworks.
Something green comes to Knapford very very fast. I have never seen so much fast engine. But Gordon. Really fast. Percy is surprised at green engine speed. 2. Really fast.
Noisy. What? You have never seen so much fast engine. There is no such a stupid thing. I am the fastest engine in the world. You know. Not only you but also Percy.
Gordon, I have long time no see you. Gordon. You have a brave to have a race with me.
Oh Scotsman. No wonder now let's have a race. It has decided to that I win.
That's great self-confidence. Gordon.
Let's have a race between Gordon and Scotsman. Take on your mark.
I am the fastest engine in the world.
Why did I lose? Unbelievable. Well, one more race.
Gordon, you know. Also I won. I can run faster than you anytime.
Scotsman.
It is better to quit. Gordon. You are loser again.
Thomas. Wait, Thomas.